Hey everyone! If you want your Appsmith application to communicate with external services, retrieve live data, automate workflows, or connect to third-party platforms, API integration is one of the most powerful features available. In this video, I'll show you how to use API integration in Appsmith from start to finish in 2026. First, sign in to your Appsmith account and open the application where you want to connect an API. Before creating the integration, gather the API information you'll need. This typically includes the API endpoint URL, authentication credentials, request parameters, headers, and any required documentation. Once you're inside Appsmith, navigate to the Data Sources or Queries section. Create a new API query and choose the option to connect to a REST API or the API type supported by your service. Double-check all settings before testing the request. Now run the API query and review the response. If the request succeeds, Appsmith will display the return data. Verify that the response contains the information you expect. And that's how to use API integration in Appsmith in 2026. With properly configured API connections, you can bring live data, automation, and external services directly into your applications. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.